Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I have the iPhone 14 Pro. I just got it. I'm going to unbox it. This is actually, fun fact, my first Pro model iPhone. My last iPhone was the iPhone 12, just the normal iPhone 12. But yeah, let's start unboxing it, and then I would tell you what specs I actually chose for this. So let's go ahead, take this one off. Don't know if you guys heard that peel or not. Then we are going to go ahead, take this one off. For those of you guys that don't know, there's actually two little things on the bottom, and then we're going to put it down here to open it, because I've seen a lot of people, and I mean a lot of people in the video open it standing up, and they end up almost dropping the phone. So I'm gonna be careful not to do that. Okay, look, the iPhone. Let's go ahead and lift it up. I always like that Apple's unboxing experience. Okay, as you see, that's it over here. Let's put it to the side for a moment. And we are going to see what comes with it. Okay, that little thing. This is talking about eSIM. For those of you guys that don't know, the iPhone 14 is the first iPhone that officially, in the US anyway, does not have a SIM card slot and only supports eSIM. Fun fact, the 12 technically supports eSIM, but the 14 only supports eSIM, and so see, no slot with ejector tool, because you don't need it. Apple stickers, like I mentioned, and then we have this. It's a good thing I have my own brick, because this doesn't come with a brick. I might actually need to buy a second brick in the future, which kind of annoys me, if I'm being honest. But I feel like everyone's used to it not coming with a brick anymore. Let me know in the comment section below if you're not used to it. But yeah, back to the phone. Okay, let's do a peel. Oh, that's satisfying. So satisfying. Now I'm technically going to turn it on, but I might have to change camera views once I turn it on, because of the fact that, yeah, because I got it set up, and I'm currently recording this with the iPhone 12, and I need to get this stuff from my iPhone. So I'm just going to let it be on that hello screen for a little bit. And when I open this case, I got a plain black case. Okay, actually thinking about it, let me show you what the back of the iPhone looks like. This is the color. It's called Space Black, apparently. Let's see, now that we got that, I'm going to open the case, and then I'll switch camera angles. You know, it's just a basic case. I don't even know if you guys want this case opening or not. And then, here we go. With the case. Perfect. It's like felt type in the inside, just like the case I have on my current phone, actually. So, yeah. Let's actually switch those angles, or at least get my phone set up real quick. So I will be back shortly. Okay, and now we are back. I didn't have to change anything after all. Well, that's not entirely true. I did have to edit a few settings, like they're always on display. I actually changed it so it doesn't show the wallpaper. And stay tuned to the future because I will be doing a comparison of sorts between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 14 Pro. Honestly, the iPhone did such a good job, with saving backup and everything of all my apps, that even my wallpaper. So if it wasn't for Dynamic Island, I don't think I'd be able to see the difference per se. But I'm going to end it here because this video has gone on for a while more than I thought it would. But yeah, let me know your guys' experiences, okay? Do you guys actually have iPhone? Let me know your opinion. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.